how to rotate a mid-rise scissor lift without waking up your 2-year-old daughter. So without further ado, let's get down to it. So what we got here is 3-ton low pro jack, another 3-ton low pro jack, and my plan is, as you can see, I have them snugged up, centered on the cross beams here. So I'm just gonna crank each one up and see if I can pull from that side and start to rotisserate this bad boy. Let's get this over with, right? So we're just gonna crank this up. Nothing crazy. Come on over here. And we're gonna crank this one up, okay? Shh. Everybody, shh. Okay. Set the angle of this dangle real quick. This might be easier than I thought. Or not. Come on, Larry. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stay. Shh, shh, shh. Okay. Balance is a little off there, but oh yeah, that helps. Oh yeah. Okay, let's check in on you. What if we give this one a push rather than a pull? That's a big no. Definitely a pull type of situation. I ain't mad at this. Let's get time to pull this out. So this is the limiter switch that I need to wire into the control box, and that prevents it from going up too much past the locks and getting damaged. Sneak up in here. Shh. Sneak up in here real quick. I'm just gonna snag this from you. Okay, no I'm not. We'll leave you there. Yep, that's a better plan. Okay. How you doing, Timmy? You doing good? All right. Okay. A little slow. Better than expected, honestly. Expected. Expecto Patronum. Okay, let's give this one a pull. Oh, bud. Okay, we're slipping. We're slipping. Slipping a wee bit. Okay. Hey. Hey, bud. What happened? Stay with me, Samantha. Stay with me. No text from the wife. We're doing good. Okay. We're gonna let you sit just like that. Okay. I'm gonna need to recenter you. We're lacking on the tracking here. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. This is more of a quiet, non-screaming video. So we're gonna let this guy down very slowly. Everybody shh. Okay, okay. Park it. Slip this on yonder. Okay. Oh. Still good. I think we're still good. That's an issue. Let's see which one of these is longer. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, thank you. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah. More length, more torque, the more you know. We're just gonna, nope, we're just gonna slip you on yonder. Okay. Let's put this down. Appreciate if y'all would shut your mouth. Okay. That was pretty loud, I'm not gonna lie. You know what? I think I'm liking the straight pry bar. Let's check on the no text from the wife. Wow, this is magical. Let's keep going until that happens. You still watching me, bud? Hello? We're working on it, so. Alright. How can I do this not like an idiot? I think that's the real question. Okay. I might be the strongest man in the universe, honestly. I'm not positive, but seems like I am. Oh. I can almost use a pry bar exclusively. Some people might think this is stupid. Some people might be right. Oh, that was good. That was good placement. All right. Solid timeout. Excuse me. Get out of here. All right, Francis. Jeff. Can't forget about Jeff. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Again, I'm sure a lot of y'all have better suggestions. Maybe one of them being, don't do this when your daughter's asleep, but we have limited time these days, okay? We got limited time. All right, that one wants to slip. Come on, Tyler, you son of a bitch. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. How's that looking? Fuck you. Okay. All right. Nice and slow. Well, let's just end that right here then. Let me know how stupid this was. And you can say it's as stupid as you want, but what I'm seeing is a scissor lift, properly positioned. We're done, we're done. Y'all need to get out of here. Try to juke it. Okay, all right. Oh. Got you there, bitch. Well, that's it, buds. This concludes how to rotisserate scissor lift 180 degrees while your daughter is sleeping. Come on now. Completely successfully. We like this. Until next time, Simba.